expectations, and relationships. Sooner or later, our relationships turn into pain and suffering. When one neglects the other, we get wounded psychologically and we carry on with that hurt. There are innumerable things that hurt us like this, but we never learn something out of it, instead, deciding on keeping ourselves away from getting hurt for the rest of our life. When someone hurts me, if I tell myself that I must be careful next time and that something like this should not repeat itself, etc., then I am slowly isolating myself from the society by building walls around me and thinking that this isolation will protect me. This isolation, though, brings with it its own loneliness and pain. Thinking is a very complex affair. When I can't understand my own thinking, how can I guide others? While having expectations, I am doing the same. We must learn to have relationships in which hurt and hatred are absent. When I say someone is a good friend to me, that means inwardly I am comfortable with his presence and he is also feeling the same. Otherwise, we are not good friends. It would be just like business. I would be gentle, kind, and pleasant to you, and you would do the same with me. When I'm constantly expecting something from you or demanding certain things from you, there is no love between us, as love has no expectations in return. Love knows no suffering or pain, and you can come to it only through negating what is not love. The problem is, our relationships are between images that we have created about each other, not between real human beings. When you're not interested in a particular relationship, stay alone. But don't build walls around yourself. Don't hate and don't expect that they will change and come back to you. We never realize the simple fact that the other person is also a human being and he or she is also living with expectations. Doing something good or bad to him is completely in my hand. However, in keeping expectations, I desire for something which is not in my hand. I don't have control at any level of what he or she gives in return. The fragrance of a flower is always there whether you smell it or not, but it never expects anything from you as it is rich in itself.